You guys, look how cute this stuff is. I'm gonna get this for my table. So I'm currently at Target. I went out yesterday and you know, it gets dark early out here. It's really hard to vlog when it gets dark early. But I'm gonna get some Christmas stuff. Oh, I can put this in my video, my Vlogmas. So I finished making my to-do list. I did not finish completing the things on my to-do list, but I am currently in my closet, and my closet is crazy. Like, seriously? Like, this is a mess. Literally a mess. So I'm about to clean my closet. And I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, but I'm about to do something, okay? Currently in the house unboxing some package. I have on this onesie from Forever 21. Honestly, I'm just in the house looking a mess. I'm kind of like decorated a little bit, but not really. But I'm about to open some boxes. I think I'm hungry. I don't know, it's giving hungry. Like, I feel empty. I don't know what it is, but this is a Kurt Geiger. I think these are boots. I actually have a bag from them that I wore during Fashion Week. It was the rainbow bag, and I really like that bag. So let's open these. I haven't seen these yet. Oh, these are cute. These are really cute. So these are what they look like. I'm not sure of the name of these boots, but I'll link them below, or you could just go on their Instagram. I'm pretty sure they have it like on their Instagram with the name, or on their site. I like that noise. These are cute. Love. So those are those. I'm actually gonna take them out of the box because I am a box collector, and not in a good way. Like, I will have something sitting in the box for about 10 years, and that way I forget what I have, and I don't know that I have it, and I never wear it. So I'm gonna take that out, and these boxes gotta go away. Okay, I also received some Forever Mood candles. I took them out of the box because I already have burnt them, but I still have the box. I wanted to show you guys the box. So I already have them like placed everywhere. So this is Burr. It comes with Burr. It comes with, I think this says Melodramatic. I don't know which one is my favorite. Like, they all smell good. This one's Holly Berry. I really don't know which one is my favorite. And this one is State of Pine. I really do like State of Pine. So let me tell y'all why I like State of Pine. I like State of Pine because it does smell like a pine tree. And I buy fake Christmas trees. I grew up actually with real Christmas trees because my mom, she never bought a fake Christmas tree. But me personally, I buy fake Christmas trees. Like, once I got my own apartment, I just wanted fake Christmas trees. I didn't care to get a real tree because it's just a lot, you know. Getting a real tree is a lot. a lot of sweeping, a lot of everything. So having a fake tree, I miss that pine smell. You know, when you have a real tree, the smell is just in the air. You come in the living room and it's just like you just smell the pine. A fake tree, you don't got that. So I like when I could have like candles that smell like pine, or room spray that smells like pine, because it just brings me back to like those childhood memories. And just like, honestly, pine just makes me feel like really cozy and just like holiday season. So I think my favorite might be pine, just because of that reason. The other ones are amazing, but pine brings me back to childhood, and I think that's the reason why people even have favorites, because it brings them back to a place that they're familiar with, or a moment that they loved. It makes sense why pine would be my fave. Okay, I am so out of breath and just tired, and I have no clue why. Okay, next up, I'm only gonna show y'all some because I got a lot and I just don't feel like talking this much. Like, I'm tired. So I'm gonna just show y'all some stuff. Everything else y'all could probably see on Instagram. But I got the Ruslan Baginski hats. The RB hats. You know, all the baddies wear these hats. I have some of these. The brand sent me some, so I'm super excited about that, because these are really like the baddie hat. Okay, like I cannot wait to wear these. They fit perfect. I actually had to measure my head, and they honestly fit perfect, so I'm excited about that. Thank you. I gotta do my Instagram post. And then I wanted to show you guys Diarra's sunglasses collection. I have that. I'm just now opening it, which is so annoying, but you know what? It's okay. I ordered this bag and I don't see it over here. So where's my bag? It looks like a book. Oh, that was kind of cool. A book. Oh, that's kind of cool. So she made it like a magazine book of eyewear. Like, you see, like, this is supposed to be her magazine cover. She got the expiration date. You know, that's kind of cool. I like that. Fashionably shading you. That's dope. So this is what it looks like inside. Ah, these are so cute. These are already my favorite. These are cute too. Let's do the Instagram post. All right, I want to try these on actually, because these are really nice. These navy blue ones, like, I like these. These are fire. Like, I knew I would like these. I know what I like. Okay, and I like these ones. What's tea? These are really cute. All right, so I'm gonna open the rest of this stuff and come back when I have the other stuff I want to show y'all, because I'm hot. Okay, so I also got this from Kurt Geiger. It's a purse. It is so cute. I like this because I could kind of like wear this with any color. I like this a lot. I like the handle, like the fuzzy handle. It's like really comfortable. This is what it looks like. I love this. This is the same company as the boots. I also got some stuff from Brandon Blackwood. Hold on, let me show you guys. The box is kind of messed up. I think it got messed up in transit. Normal, you know, regular. Okay, we got a cute little bag. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is so cute. Like, sheesh. Like, what the hell? This is so winter fall. The hair's kind of gotta go like this, but wow, this is like amazing. I kind of don't want to take a picture of the box because it's all like fucked up. So I'm gonna have to take a, I'm gonna save the dust bag. I'm gonna throw the box over there. That's where all the boxes go, because I'm gonna get it up in a second. Oh my god, this is so cute. The only thing is that I gotta kind of train the hairs. because they're going up because that's how it was sitting in the box. All right, I got another box from Brandon Blackwood. Oh my god, this is a little baby one. Look at this. Ah! This is heavy. Let me just say that. This is heavy. Please look at this. What the hell? This looks like a freaking earring. It's like a little coin purse. Like, it's actually like a little coin purse in here. That is so cute. I love this. I'm gonna I gotta put these up in my closet. Super, super cute. All right, I got 2 more Brandon Blackwood boxes. Ooh, I hope it's not this. I think they sent me the same bag twice, you guys. They sent me the same bag twice. This is not a joke. Oh my gosh. This is literally not a joke. I might have to do a giveaway. My god, they sent me the same thing twice. All right, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Whoo, child, I'm not even gonna like unwrap this. And I also have the small one too. Wow. So maybe I'll do a giveaway. I think that'll be really cute. So I'm gonna do a giveaway. So I'm gonna be posting about the giveaway in the next video. I'm trying to make this up on the spot because I'm in shock. So I'm gonna post about the giveaway in the next video, or I might post about it on Instagram, but you guys gotta really stay tuned and, like, you know, make sure you stay tuned for the video because I don't know when I'm gonna say it, but I'm definitely gonna say it this month. Make sure you guys are staying tuned. Also, let me just say that I've been seeing that there's like somebody going around making fake YouTube channels, like, you know, with my name, talking about something, hit me up on Telegram. First off, I would never have a Telegram. I don't have a Telegram, and I would never have one. That's one. So, and they're doing this because they want people to enter the giveaway, and to enter, you got to give the person money. Y'all know I would never, ever, ever do that. I never asked y'all for money ever in my life. So don't ever believe that. That's 1. 2, I would never have a Telegram. 3, if it's not being broadcasted on all social platforms, do not believe it. Like, I would never be reaching out to someone randomly saying, you want my giveaway, hit me up on Telegram. Come on, that don't even make sense. Like, y'all should know me better than that. So y'all need to stop giving into these fake accounts. And the thing about it is that I don't understand how people are giving into fake accounts if it has like 1 follower. Like, I have 2 million followers on Instagram. How are y'all like being confused by the Instagram account if it has 1 follower? Just because it has my picture does not mean that it's me. So please be aware of fakes. You know, this is something that people do around giveaway times. Like, whenever someone's announcing a giveaway or doing a giveaway, there's always so many fake pages being made because scammers are trying to get those people to give them money. I would never, ever, ever ask y'all for money, like, ever. Okay? Every time somebody, that's why you actually not even supposed to put giveaway in your YouTube titles, because people search up those videos, like scammers, they search up those videos so that they can do that. This is like, I mean, this is a known YouTube thing for behind the scenes. You guys probably don't know, but I'm letting y'all know right now, do not fall for it. I would never have a Telegram. That's 1. 2, I would never ask y'all for nothing. 3, if you're getting scammed by a page with 1 follower, like, that's the part that make me mad. Because 1 follower, you dead serious? Like, why would I? Also, I'm only ever gonna hit y'all up from a verified account, okay? My YouTube is verified. and my Instagram is verified. My Twitter is verified. And let me just make a disclaimer. I know you could buy verification checks on Twitter now, but when you press on the verification check mark on Twitter, you could tell if someone bought it or if they've already been verified by Twitter itself. So if they bought it, it's gonna say this person is verified because they are subscribed to Twitter Blue. Twitter Blue is like, I don't know, I guess it's like a higher rank of Twitter, and you automatically get a verification check. You can do certain things with your Twitter. I don't have Twitter Blue. I'm verified because of, when I click on mine, it says because of notoriety. That I'm an actual like person. I'm considered a celebrity. So when you click on my verification check on Twitter, that's how you'll know. If somebody hits you up on Twitter and it has a verification check, it says my name, my picture, make sure you are checking the verification check, because for one, I have a lot of followers on Twitter. My verification check is real, and no shade, I'm just saying it's real. And I barely hit up people on Twitter for giveaways. Honestly, the only time I hit up people is from Instagram. My Instagram is verified and I have a lot of followers. I'm very active on there. So if you don't see that, it's not me, okay? Stop falling for accounts that have no verification, have no followers, and it only has my picture. I don't have a Telegram. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway, but I don't know how I'm going to do it yet, because obviously, you know, you got to do certain things to enter the giveaway. So I'm going to figure that out today. I have a couple giveaways going on for the holiday season. So actually, the fact that I have these 2 purses is crazy, because I already have 3 purses that I wanted to do a giveaway for. That's wild. So now I got 5 bags to do a giveaway for. Damn. But I mean, that's kind of cute, right? Not cute. Anyway, so I'm kind of done opening all my stuff. The other stuff I have is just makeup, which, oh, actually I wanted to show you guys one more purse. Ah, so cute. So this is from Marshall, Columbia. Y'all know I like weird stuff. I like really weird bags. It's given like fall and spring. But, you know, like I said, I bought it a month ago. It was hot a month ago. But it's still cute. I got the medium size. I think they had a smaller one. But I got the medium one because I have another bag of theirs. It's orange. And I think that one is small. So I just decided to get this medium one. And I got black because black goes with everything. They have other colors, but this one is really cute. So yes, that concludes today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I think I'm starving. I don't know what it is, but something's going on with me. I think I'm hungry. I have a couple things on my to-do list today. My main focus, okay, so I opened up all my PR. Open PR. Check that off. Post picture. Check that off. I think I'm gonna edit my vlog now, so this will be up very soon. I'm telling y'all, like, y'all speaking to me in a moment. If you're watching this, give this a thumbs up, okay? Give this a thumbs up. The next vlog is probably gonna be like, I don't know. What the hell am I talking about? I don't know. I'm tired. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.